Bitcoin, we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. And if we refer to our analysis, since the price was when here, we mentioned we're looking for buy. There was a reversal as a sharp move, but there was no continuation. One thing I need to highlight here, because I mentioned one of the option we can look for trade to put our entry above here. But we mentioned within the first or second hours, maximum 2 hours, if there is no continuation, we should take with the trade in the break even. We had almost 6 to 7 hours to take with the trade in the break even. One thing I need to highlight here, for those traders, they want to look for buy, for example, by having entry above this correction. If they wanted to look for buy, when they see this one, after 2 hours, they should take with the trade in the break even. And if they believe, for example, if they believe the price can continue, then when they see this kind of the flag, they can readjust or put the entry above this flag. They shouldn't keep the trade after 2 hours if there is no continuation. This is what we get. That's why we have the rules at maximum 2 hours. Okay. By the way, we were looking for reversal. This is what we get as a short-term trade based on lower time frame, but there was no trade setup based on 1 hour, and the price start to drop. There was opportunity to look for sell from here. For those traders, they get the sell from here. Right now, they need to watch out. Okay, now once see what's the next, because the market is not moving the way we want it. Is quite corrective. Okay, it's okay because we have seen this kind of the situation many times. But as I mentioned, we're looking for buy. We're looking for the reversal as a long term. This is what we're looking for. All right, that's why I mentioned if we do there. I mean, since the price was within this correction, we mentioned mostly we'll get a lot of the trade setup for buy that it doesn't move in our direction as a long term. That's why we should know how to manage it. By the way, now I want to see what's the next, whether the price can break the lowest price of this correction or not, because it since the price haven't tagged or break the lowest price of this correction, which is 39,770. Still we can look for the reversal, because with the breakout of this one, then we can expect even the price drop to 39. Okay, but at this point, based on daily chart, still we don't have any trade setup for buy, neither for buy or sell. And if we move to forward chart, still we can consider this one as a correction relative to this. For me, still I'm looking for buy. If I get any opportunity for buy, I will take it. All right, but it depends how fast it can reverse, because if there was a reversal as a corrective, we can expect this one flat for the next drop, and the next drop mostly we can expect the price tag the lowest price of this one. Okay, still I'm looking at this one. I'm not really interested to look for sell. If I get any opportunity for buy, I will take it. And still we can look for 45,700 following by 47,330 as a target. And if I move to lower time frame, 1 hour chart, similar explanation. Now the question is whether this is the 3 waves and we can look for buy, or we can look for this one as a flat. And this is the start of the up move. I don't think we can put this one in relative to this. Then even if the price reverse from here, we have to see the breakout of this one, because if the price couldn't break, then as what I explained based on forward chart, we can expect this one turn to more complex. By the way, we don't need to really care about that. The only thing is we want to see what's the next. Even based on 1 hour chart, we see we have a divergence. If anyone wants to look for sell, they have to look for similar flag, similar what we get here. But any sell is a short term. Any reversal for buy, we will take it. Having entry above this, I won't suggest it. At this point, the only option is to look for buy as a reversal as a sharp move flag. Rather than that, we don't have any other option. But if the price continue and drop, we can expect the price drop to 39, which we don't like it in that way, because in that case, if the price could break the lowest price of this correction, we can expect the price drop to 39, following by 29. Okay. Anyway, still we're looking for we're looking whether we can get any reversal point, any opportunity for buy. And at this point, I don't see any trade setup, and we prefer to wait. But if I get any opportunity as a buy, as a reversal sharp move flag, I will take it. Thanks.